Hello, Christine from Oxygen here. So the problem I've been trying to solve is creating more accurate revenue reports for our company. So right now, our deals are a mixture of one-off payments and recurring payments. With HubSpot's existing MRR tools, it's not possible to take into account the one-off payments when you're creating reports. Also, you cannot forecast based off of MRR for some reason. When you want to forecast your monthly recurring revenue mixed with your one-off payments, you would have to split your deal into multiple ones based off of when the invoices go out. To do that manually is going to be super time consuming and also prone to data entry errors. And how do you even manage activity logging at that point? I had to create two different pipelines. One is kind of maintaining our original pipeline. The second one is specifically for MRR forecasting. It has the same stages, it has the same probabilities and all that other stuff, just that it gets automatically populated by a custom workflow with some custom code. I have some fields here that triggers the creation of these deals. Here you can specify the recurring revenue, when the first invoice goes out and when the last invoice goes out. Then we have this very important field here that calculates the time between these two, reformats it so it's in months, and then also recalculates it so it is the actual number of invoices that goes out. And then we have some fields over here that creates the one-off payment deals for you in the MRR pipeline with the right close dates. We have some workflows in the background as well that basically helps with matching this stage to the stage in the other pipeline and calculates the total amount of this original deal based off of these so that the amounts are both the same on both pipelines. So this is the workflow that creates all the deals for us. It's triggered every time any of the properties are updated. When this gets triggered, it will go through a few logic branches to determine whether to create recurring payments or if it should just create the one-off payments for you in the MRR pipeline. Now, you might be asking, though, if this is triggered every time there are updates, wouldn't that just create way too many deals for the forecast? So to get around that, I have made it so that every single deal that gets created stores the parent task ID. We have some custom code that runs before the creation happens that searches for any existing deals that match the parent ID. And if something matches, you clear all the deals out and then create new ones with the correct information, the correct close dates and stuff like that, so that the amounts and also the dates are accurate between the two pipelines, and we can create that accurate forecasting report that we wanted.